I grew up in a house where quiet meant something was wrong. Every smile felt borrowed, and every night ran long. I learned early not to ask questions, just pretend not to see. 'Cause every truth that ever surfaced came back bloody eventually. And I swore I'd leave it all behind me when I finally packed my bags. But ghosts don't stay in attics, they follow dressed in rags. Guess I was born with these inherited blues, running deeper than the dirt I shook off my shoes. I say I'm not my father, but I fear I wear his face. Same heart, same temper, same way of leaving them without a trace. Yeah, I was born with these inherited blues. Gentle, loved her careful, but old patterns still broke through. 'Cause somewhere in my bones I learned that closeness means you lose. She said she couldn't keep forgiving wounds I didn't mean to make. Suddenly I saw every goodbye I swore I'd never recreate. I tried to choke the echoes out, but they echoed back too strong. Turns out breaking generations doesn't happen overnight with one song. Guess I was born with these inherited blues, running deeper than the dirt I shook off my shoes. I say I'm not.
You hit me up when you're lonely, disappear when you're fine. I keep pretending you know me, but you don't cross that line. I'm always there when you want me, never there when you fall. You only love me in pieces, and I still answer the call. You don't need me, but you need control, and I confuse it with something close to love. And I hate myself for staying but walking. I feel the crumbs of your affection. You feed me a taste and you're gone again. I take whatever you leave on the table just to feel something, just to feel wanted. I got the crumbs of your affection. My heart's always starving and you never notice. You say maybe like a promise, then rewrite every word. You let me fall for the future, then act like that's so absurd. I keep making excuses for damage you never meant. I love you more than you like me, and that's the part that never ends. Yeah, I know you'll never open up, but I keep hoping that you'll wake up. One day you throw a warm look in my direction, and somehow that's enough to make me stay. Got the crumbs of your affection. You feed me a taste and you're gone again. I take whatever you leave on the table just to feel something, just to feel wanted. I got the crumbs of your affection. My heart's always starving and you never notice. One day I'll walk away and you won't chase me. You'll just shrug it off like you never faced me, and it kills me that I know how it ends. But I still Still I got the crumbs of your affection, trying to live on a fraction of love. I'm tired of